Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I wanted to come on here before I start recording what I'm going to record for today and just say thank you so much to all of you who have reached out and said kind words and just remember Maxie. So I just want to thank you all. It was difficult, but at least we know that Maxie is no longer in pain. I was just thinking about all the times that I've had to run with her to the emergency room or the vet, you know, because she is an epileptic. But besides that, she's had pancreatitis twice. I think it had something to do with her liver. I got her when she was 1.5 years old, so I think that her liver probably wasn't the healthiest liver based on her previous diet. I believe that she ate a lot of leftover foods and stuff like that. So I'm just making assumptions. Who knows? It could be the medicine. It could be the epilepsy. I have no idea. But she was a good dog. She's right here. I just looked right now and there's a picture inside the greenhouse right here on the bus, the Volkswagen bus. So I just looked at her while I'm talking to you guys, so it makes me sad, but she was a good dog and we're so happy to have her and rescue her. And I never knew that she would be like that. I never had a rescue. So she was just such a grateful dog. In the beginning I was scared of her because I didn't know her, you know, and she was bigger than my dogs. She was the biggest dog I ever owned myself. So, but to other people she was not a big dog. The max weight that she would ever weigh is 40 pounds, but she always stayed a little bit under, but that's her max. So yeah, she was such a good dog and just so grateful and wanted to just be with me all the time. So yeah, and I know you guys liked her so much, and I just want to thank you guys for being there and supporting and just comforting. So thank you so much. Now back to whatever we're going to talk about today. So I just wanted to talk to you about the greenhouse, things that I need to do. It's been difficult because we're busy. We're busy. So we have school, right? Work, and then after school activities is kicking my butt. So there's always something to do. So whenever in my mind I want to do something, and then, you know, on the weekends, there's also things that the girls need to do. My youngest has softball, and then the other one has theater. So yeah, I'm trying to, and then the weather, it's been raining a lot. I mean, goodness, I was like, we're gonna drown. I texted my husband, we're gonna drown, because it just doesn't stop raining. I haven't, I want to say I'm behind by a couple of days in watering, but I don't know if I should water because there's so much humidity. Like some plants I can see that look thirsty, so I'm trying to decide if I should water based on the plant itself. See, this looks fine, doesn't look like it needs water. I would say this one maybe looks a little thirsty. That one doesn't. This one over here does, but the rest doesn't. And then some here. You know, this plant, after I shared with somebody, it just started to rot on me. So hopefully whatever is left will grow. I'm just not gonna, I'm gonna leave it alone, see if it, anyways. And that one too is thirsty. Some of those, I don't know, I might put outside. Other ones, they don't look thirsty, and I'm scared because if I water them, they might die because of the humidity. I have some here that I purchased from Maria, Succulent Living, and they, so far one did not like the greenhouse. I probably watered it, I think. I watered it, you know, because it traveled and stuff like that, and I did not like it. And I did not water it from the top. It just didn't like it. It didn't like our humidity in here, so it just rotted, and that's mold right there. And then I would see this one does not look thirsty, so I really don't know if I should just wait. Maybe I should. You know, you can always rescue a plant that's thirsty, and rather than one that's rotted. I don't know what's going on. See this one? Look at that. This is not thirsty. So, yep. And there's, look, there's mold in there. There's just so much humidity in, you know, in here, even though the door's open. And yeah, this is, I'm gonna say this is done, except for this one probably still has a good chance. Sometimes with things like this, I'll just put it outside. Even though it's humid outside, there's still more circulation. And so yeah, so I'll put it over here. If it makes it, makes it. If it doesn't, it doesn't. So yeah, that's how I have to treat these succulents, because you know, if you just, they can disappoint you, and it's just the weather is hard, you know. Like I said, we've been getting lots of rain here. This one has been blowing up. I forgot the name of this fruit tree, but anyways, I gotta clean that. Here's this one. I am deciding where to put it. This beauty right here. It has been inside the greenhouse this whole time, so I might put it up here on this thing. I think that's what I might do, and move that somewhere else. But what I wanted to do with whatever little bit of time I have, let's see, it's 10:39, and I have to leave here at 1:30 to take my daughter to her to theater to practice. So yeah, to rehearsals, I guess that's what you would call it. So I still have my plants there that I need to, I mean, they can stay here. I just don't know, you know, if they were used to being watered frequently. I'm just gonna wait. That's, I think the best thing that I can do is just wait. With these, they usually have a lot of water, so I just want to clean. And then I do want to show you up here. I removed my shade cloth weeks ago already. We added this these 2x4s up here because I guess with the heat, it started to sag a little bit in between there. So we lifted it up a little bit with those, and now I need to paint them. I didn't paint them because I used the oil paint that I use. It always transfers to your hands, and my husband didn't want to touch it if I painted it, so I had to wait. So now it's gonna be a pain in the butt, but I gotta do it. I'm probably gonna slip like a piece of cardboard so I don't paint the roof, the plastic, and paint that. But yeah, so I'm gonna clean, and whenever I'm done cleaning, whether it's today or I don't know when, then I'll show you what it looks like, because that's what can happen. I might start something and then I might get interrupted because my kids need me or something, and I might not be able to finish, but that's okay. You know, this is supposed to be like fun. So let me start this and see how far I get. Hey guys, so I am done cleaning for today. That was all I was able to do. It is 12 o'clock, 12:16, so I need to go in and get ready to drop off my daughter. So let me just show you. I cleaned the floor really good, and then I pulled those out and wiped them down under there. And yeah, I am trying to think of ways to rearrange this because I have some taller cactuses that need to be moved around. I do like the idea of having tall cactus here, so I might do that. But yeah, that's what this is looking like right now. And I am sweating, so hot, so humid, guys. I'm gonna probably water some things that just look really dry, and then the rest I'm just gonna leave it alone because I think I'm gonna end up losing it if I do water it because of the humidity. So yeah, see that one up there is one that I need to bring down. It's about to touch the ceiling, so I need to do that. for the beams, the small 2x4s that I added, I might have to clean that. I mean, not clean it, paint it in the wintertime when it's cooler, because it's just too hot in here. So I hope to make more videos for you guys in the wintertime. I do have, whenever there's no school, I'm off, so maybe I can play catch up during that time. So yeah, let me show you this little area here that I rearranged here. I took some of my euphorbias that I had here and placed them here, and also some of the estepelias right here. This one's about to bloom. Hold on, sorry guys. This one, I believe this is like a really cute red fuzzy one. It's pretty big, more than the other ones, but yeah, I'll hopefully keep an eye out for that. I'll show you guys either on a short or in my Instagram. But let me just show you that monkey tail cactus. I'm gonna have to propagate it. It's very long and I don't have any other offsets. That's all I have, so yeah. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and you guys have a blessed day. Bye guys.